We have a bell that we want you to ring to honor your donor today.
Awesome.
Okay? So MUSC and Donate Life South Carolina are honored to be a part of this moment in your life. Sailors feel that a bell is the soul of a ship. The bell is rung on board ships to signal accomplishments, honor, or momentous events. You are ringing this ship's bell for another soul, that of the person whose decision to donate has allowed you a new start and has given you the gift of life. Please cherish this memory and use it as a reminder to honor your donor by taking care of yourself and by living life to the fullest. Help those who are still on the waiting list by encouraging others to register as organ, eye, and tissue donors, and by volunteering your services when possible. Your presence is the best example that organ donation is the gift of life.
Yes, and I agree. Wow, what a journey, and this has been a great journey. And first of all, I like to say thank God that He allowed me to follow this process all the way through, and that He allowed me to come in contact with such a blessing, such a gift, and I just give God praise. And second of all, I like to thank my wife. Yes. Because if anyone has been supportive to me, it's been my back, my side, my left, my right. My wife has been there for me, my son. I also like to thank the doctors, all of the doctors, the team. We were all a team together. And the nurses that worked along with us, we truly appreciate you all. But not just the nurses, the staff. Everybody, Heather, I mean the cleaning crew, the people that bought the food. I mean, I'm just so grateful that I had this experience. It was a lot to learn. I had to shift my mindset, shift how I thought, become more positive about what's going on, shift my atmosphere. And while I was waiting, because I was in ICU for 65 days. And what an experience that was. But I just give God praise that I made it through it. And it's just a joy to have received what I received and to be able to bounce back the way that I was able to bounce back. It's just a joy. And I'm definitely not, this is not the last time you're going to see me. There's purpose behind this surgery. There's purpose behind this transplant. And my goal is to fulfill that purpose in whatever capacity that I can. So once I get through my recovery, I'm going to do what I can to try to maintain what God has called me to do. Thank my friends, my father. He was very supportive as well. I have some friends that came today. They prayers of the righteous availeth much. And I'm sorry, I have to keep my stand. It's through my faith that I was able to get through this process, and so I got to put that first. But thank you, Dr. Van Bakel. He's our cardiologist, and he was the one. At first, I did not see the vision. I was closed-minded, but I thank God for him, because it was through his patience that allowed me to see the pathway. And once I saw it, I stayed with it and I stuck with it, and I got the kind of result that I got. So thank you all.
All right.
You have something you want to say, Bruce?
No. Am I supposed to?
You can.
Thank you so much. 5 stars MUSC, 5 stars. We both have a background of quality and performance excellence, and we saw it in action. We actually lived it. We saw it in action. I just want to say thank you. I saw it so well, I had to take myself off of any teams or anything I've ever worked on related to MUSC. But I just want to say thank you, and I also want to say to all healthcare, I saw these last 60-some days that you have a vocation. It's not a profession. You are called to save lives, to change lives. James and I, our ladder is going to be greater because of this. You know, the last 6 years, you know, we had to limit a lot of things that we could and couldn't do, and where we could go and how we felt. But because of your work and because of God, working together, you know, I had one saying, and I'm gonna shut up because I can talk. It's, you know, we needed this profession to show us to believe in the medical process. But you needed this man of God to show you that God is real too. And the two together just took us over the top. And so thank you so much. And I'll be volunteering too.
This is about the end. Thank you. Yes, sir. Okay, that's what I love. Yes. Thank you.
It's the
Thank you
2nd
all.
of July at MUSC.
Yeah,
This is Christian Hilton signing off. What a momentous day to see our brother with a new heart. We're celebrating the goodness of God through Jesus Christ.
And we can go back to the room and I guess.